Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out is it still bearish trend or any bullish reversal and what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to VBall. I'm going to use VBall. If you want to learn more about VBall setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBall setup trading and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. It's very simple. I'm using moving averages. White line is MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. MACD indicator, green line, red line, signal line, RSI indicator, green line, red line, signal line. Also oscillator, green is a bullish, red is a bearish. I'm using 4-5 indicators. Also, I didn't mention to you, I'm using green dots, it's a bullish reversal signal, red dots, it's a bearish reversal signal. That's what I have. Reversal, bearish, 5 indicators only. Let's start. Let me maximize it, and we will start from dollar. USA dollar, it made some gap. Dollar bounce from MA 50. It stopped at MA 50 for 2 days, right? And it bounced, but still bearish trend. MA 5 did bearish crossover over 20. Still bearish trend. MACD still bearish. RSI still bearish. Also oscillator still bearish. Still bearish. RSI wants to do bullish crossover, but all indicators and dots still bearish reversal signal. Dollar still bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. No changes. On 4 hours time frame, it's already changed direction to bullish, right? And that's what we like. Let me mention about for swing trading. I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame. And my style when all indicators align in the same trend direction. For us, it's a simple trading style. It's for us, it's a 98% confirmation when all indicators align in the same trend direction. And in this case, you see 4 hours time frame, US dollar already bullish. Bullish reversal signal, MA5 did bullish crossover, last bar close above all moving averages. MACD bullish, RSI awesome, so all indicators bullish. That's what we have. It bounced from MA 200. Bullish trend on 4 hours time frame. On daily, it's still bearish. Let's move to Qs. Qs, the most strongest index. Qs, very strong, very positive compared to other indexes like SPY, Dow Jones, and IWM. Green bar on Qs. MACD still below signal line, still bearish. RSI bullish crossover, awesome oscillator bearish. MA5 still below 10. It's still bearish reversal signal still red dots. Like 3, 4, 4 indicators of 5 still bearish, 1 indicator bullish. It's still bearish trend on daily time frame for Qs, still bearish. But if we move on 4, I'm sorry, let's move back to daily. This major trend line, green line, this trend line started 14 months ago from the top of the market. And in this case, Qs did tested major trend line, it didn't test major trend line, it tested white line MA 200. It tested several times, 4 bars, 5 times already. And it bounced from it 3 days ago. But it never tested major trend line, and it will do it someday. So far it's positive, it's bullish, and it didn't test major trend line like other indexes. That's what I mentioned to you. 4 hours time frame, it was bearish. It was bearish on 4 hours time frame, and recently last 2 bars it moved. MA5 did bullish crossover, and we received bullish reversal signal on 4 hours time frame. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, and awesome oscillator bullish. 4 hours time frame, bullish signal for Qs. On 1 hour time frame, it's also bullish, right? It's bullish. The only negative, it touched MA 200 white line. And remember, MA 200 is strong resistance, like it was resistant here. You see, it did touch the MA 200, it was rejected. It was huge sell-off from that MA 200. Now it could be the same setup. It can be rejected from MA 200. We'll see. Still bullish on MACD, on RSI, and also oscillator. 1 hour time frame, it's still bullish. Let's move to VXN. VXN positive. Look at plus volatility index plus 7%. Or when Q is positive and VXN plus positive, it's disconnected. It should be opposite. When volatility index positive, it is negative for Qs. Bullish trend on daily time frame, bullish on all indicators, right? MA5 did bullish crossover, RSI, MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, all bullish on daily time frame. Only one bearish reversal indicator, but all other bullish on daily time frame for volatility index, for Nasdaq volatility index VXN. Let's move to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily, it's a different story, right? This major trend line that I mentioned to you, the green line, it started from the top of the market 14 months ago. I don't want to spend time to show it to you. I did it several times. I will do it on the weekly time frame, weekly review. It's a bearish trend. MA5 did bearish crossover, still bearish. The bar, it moved, it close above it. Major trend line. It tested this trend line multiple times already. MACD is still bearish. Huge volume, right? Look at it. For last 4 days, it's a huge volume, huge volatility, huge volume. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator. All indicators still bearish. Yesterday, it did tested MA 200 and it was rejected from MA 200. Today, it moved below major trend line and close above. We'll see. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame for SPY. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. Looks like no confirmation yet. Still bearish reversal signal on dots. MACD is still bearish. RSI is still bearish. Awesome oscillator green. Looks like on 4 hours time frame it wants to have some bullish bull run. No full confirmation yet. MA20 ready for bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish trend. When MA20 does bearish crossover over 200, it is bearish trend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame for SPY. 1 hour time frame. It was bearish, still bearish reversal signal on dots, still red dots. MA5 still below 10. MACD bullish crossover, RSI bullish, awesome oscillator bullish, and MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. Like, yeah, 3 indicators already bullish, 2 indicators still bearish on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to VIX. VIX also plus 10%. VIX plus 10%, right? But that's expected because SPY was negative today and VIX was positive. But Qs was positive today, and yeah. Let's do VIX daily time frame. Bullish VIX. And yeah, it's still above MA 200, bullish crossover, bullish on all indicators. On daily time frame, VIX bullish, it's a bearish for SPY. Daily time frame, Dow Jones daily time frame. Let's start it. This green line is, yeah, like I mentioned to you already, it's a major trend line that started for long time ago, 14 months ago. It's a lower trend line. This blue one, it's the upper trend line for Dow Jones. Major trend line, it tested 2 days already, 3 times already, close above that major trend line, but below MA200. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish trend, still bearish trend, MA20 downtrend, bearish reversal signal on that, red color, MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator. All indicators bearish on daily time frame for Dow Jones. No changes. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Similar story, right? Bearish reversal signal still red. Last bar above major trend line. MA5 still bearish, MACD bearish, RSI bearish. Only one indicator bullish, awesome oscillator. All other indicators still bearish on 4 hours time frame. Let's check 1 hour time frame for Dow Jones. 1 hour time frame, it wants to go bullish. Awesome oscillator bullish, RSI bullish, MACD bullish crossover. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover and reversal signal still red. Looks like 3 indicators bullish, 2 indicators still bearish. Still below MA200, still below MA20, it is still bearish on 1 hour time frame, but has positive 3 indicators positive. VXD, volatility index for Dow Jones, it was plus 9.5%. Still bullish trend on all indicators. It is bearish for Dow Jones. Bearish for Dow Jones. Let's move to IWM. IWM daily time frame, Russell 2000. Green line, major trend line from the top of the market. The last bar moved below the trend line and moved up. Yesterday it was up. Today it did open with the gap down. 2 large gaps above. Very far from MA5, far from MA10 and from MA10, 20. Very oversold on RSI. Bearish direction on all indicators, but very oversold. And far from moving averages from MA20. We know that it always wants to connect. It can bounce. 4 hours time frame, similar story. RSI oversold. Awesome oscillator bullish. MACD bearish. Moving averages bearish. Bearish reversal. MA20 did bearish crossover. It is bearish signal. It's bearish trend. When MA20 does bearish crossover over 200, it is bearish. Very bearish. Still bearish trend, only one indicator bullish on 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour is different story. Awesome oscillator green for last 2 hours. MACD bullish crossover. RSI bullish crossover. MA5 didn't conform. Bearish reversal still red. Only 3 indicators bullish. All other 2 indicators bearish. Last bar still below MA10 and 20. It is still bearish trend. Still bearish trend. On all indicators for IWM Russell 2000. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily. Apple strong, right? That's what Qs is strong because of the Apple, because of the large corporation like Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. It is bullish with bearish divergences, right? MA5, yeah, ready for bearish crossover over 10. Still bullish because bars above MA20. Still bullish trend. Still bullish reversal signal green. MACD wants to go bullish. RSI bullish. Awesome oscillator red. Still bullish. Kind of flat positive trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. Bearish divergences, it wants to go bearish on all indicators on daily time frame. Sorry. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is similar story. It has bearish divergences on all indicators and positive bullish signal. Awesome oscillator green, MACD bullish crossover, MACD RSI bullish crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover, bullish signal, bullish trend, still bearish reversal signal. All indicators, four indicators of 5 are bullish on 4 hours time frame. On daily, still positive on daily also. 1 hour, it is bullish also on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Apple on all time frames bullish. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily time frame. Tesla still bullish. MA5 wants to do bearish crossover. But bullish reversal signal still green. MACD bearish, but it wants to do bullish crossover. Bearish divergences. RSI bullish crossover, bearish divergences. Awesome oscillator bearish divergences. Mixed mode 50-50. Some indicators bullish, some indicators bearish. Still bearish trend on daily. 4 hours time frame. 4 indicators bullish. 4 indicators bullish. 1 indicator bearish. It is bullish on 4 hours time frame for Tesla. On 1 hour time frame, it is also bullish on all indicators. Tesla bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. On daily, still kind of bearish. Let's move to BABA. BABA daily time frame. MACD bearish. RSI oversold bearish. Very oversold for a long time, since February 20. For last 30 days it's oversold. It definitely wants to have bullish bounce, bullish divergence on the awesome oscillator. Still bearish trend, bearish signal awesome oscillator on RSI, on MACD, on moving averages. MA20 did bearish crossover over 10 and 100. Bearish signal, bearish trend on the MA20. Bearish on all indicators on daily time frame with oversold RSI. Let's move to 4 hours. Similar story on 4 hours. Awesome oscillator bullish. RSI still oversold, like I mentioned, for a long time, for a month. MACD flat on the moving averages, still bearish, bearish trend. Price action is downtrend. On the MACD histogram, bullish divergence. On the MACD line, bullish divergence. On the awesome oscillator, bullish divergence. Multiple bullish divergences on all indicators. It wants to have bounce. On 4 hours time frame, on 1 hour time frame, it's a similar story. Bullish divergences on 1 hour time frame, bullish divergences on RSI. RSI still was on oversold territory. Bullish divergences from this point, right? It wants to go bullish. Bullish divergences on the awesome oscillator. Bullish divergences on all indicators. It wants to go bullish. On 1 hour time frame, wants to go bullish. It left to see 1, 2, 3 gaps above us. At least it wants to go and close these gaps. And this level is resistant level around 90, but it can go and connect to MA200 because it has gap over here between 94 and 92, huge gap. It can close this all gaps and connect to MA200. On 1 hour time frame, it wants to go bullish. I'm talking about BABA. Okay, let's move to summary. That's all. Let me repeat quickly. Let's do summary. All indexes still bearish on daily time frame. On 4 hours time frame, they're bearish also. On 1 hour time frame, they are bullish. They want to have bullish correction on 1 hour time frame. Only the most strongest index, it's a Qs. Qs bullish on 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame. On daily, they still kind of bearish. On 1 hour time frame, on 4 hours, on daily time frame, Qs still bearish. On 4 hours and 1 hour time frame, bullish. Qs, the most strongest, the most positive index, because I mentioned to you before, it's above all moving averages and above the major trend line. But it never tested major trend line, and I'm expecting to see Qs to test this major trend line. I don't know the trigger, I don't know when it's going to be, but it will test it someday. It can be, I don't know, maybe Fed will raise interest, and that's Qs. Qs is not expecting, Qs expecting to Fed to keep rate zero or even move negative. That's what expectation of Qs, of tech companies. But if Fed will move interest even quarter up, Qs will crash. If Fed will move interest even higher, Qs will crash. We'll see. They will test this major trend line. I don't want to guess. I don't want to predict anything. I just follow the market trend. I follow the market trend direction. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Please read this disclaimer. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I will also publish charts daily to my Telegram channel and Discord community. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.